Hi, this is Dr. Kat Vanderploeg from FTC Kids in Little Falls, and I'm here to talk to you today about the many uses of your standing table, even when your little one is not standing yet. In the previous videos, we covered how to use it for tummy time and then how to use it for supported and unsupported sitting. Today, we're going to talk about how to use it for transitioning into kneeling, which is going to help your baby learn to crawl and transition in and out of sitting. So I like to keep the standing table on the side because it gives us some place to rotate to. If you're already practicing, you're sitting and reaching on a diagonal, then this is a nice, easy way to get from sitting onto knees, and then their hands are supported on the surface. So as they're reaching over, you want to guide them up to the surface and sneak this leg back. So that way they are kneeling and now supporting themselves with their arms. They could be up off of their feet or sitting back on their feet and playing. If you notice that they're a little unstable, it's okay to bring their weight back onto their feet and then allow them to go up and down. You're gonna get a lot of good hip strengthening out of that, and they're gonna get a lot of nice upper extremity weight bearing. So they can play. If they start to fuss, let them out of the position. Don't keep them there. It's okay for them to come down. As they come back down, we're gonna transition them back down to sit the same way we got up. So we're gonna rotate over one hip and come back to sitting with legs out, okay? Do it as you would feel comfortable. You come up to knees, you're comfortable. You wanna sit down again, you slide your weight over one hip and sit, okay? Thank you for joining me today. Hopefully your baby's happy.